niya punta diri sa Talisay. Lahi sa niya itong i-meet up diri. Hello ma'am.
Fixing your phone with genuine care. From nothing to battery software to every little problem we fix it for you. Genuine fair, genuine care. Cell phone problems always there. Fast and trusted.
Ito na akong sa nang trabaho niyo.
Genuine cell phone repairable. Genuine fair, genuine care. Cell phone problems always there. Fast and trusted, fair and true. Genuine cell phone repairable. Yeah. Pandemic days are busy times. We stay strong, brain to shine. Customer friend, we treat the same. Quality service, that's our name. Broken touchscreen, no signal to relax lang kami na bahala sa'yo. Genuine fair, genuine care. Cell phone problems always there. Fast and trusted, fair and true. Genuine cell phone repairable. Genuine pair, genuine care. Cell phone problems always there. Fast and trusted, fair and true. Genuine cell phone repairable. So if your phone needs fixing too, remember the name that's real and true.
Nahuman na itong ilis o LCD o battery kaning iPhone 7G. LCD o battery bilisan na. Karing Samsung A15 5G LCD atong ilisan na. Okay na kulanit na ito. Man naman ta sa dari sa Talisay na itong service na rin. Ito sa lain na ito.